Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Learn, Invest, Grow show. Unfortunately, my partner Tay, he cannot make it to today's video. He has a family event that he has to attend. This is a very interesting topic. First of all, I want to wish everybody a happy new year. And I want to discuss this topic. It's private lending, okay? My family and myself, we got involved in private lending about 10 years ago. And I learned the private lending business really when we started investing with another hard money lender. Okay. I was like a sponge. I wanted to pick their brain on everything. And there's just something that I wanted to point out. You're going to see a lot of investors that are going to, if you're on Facebook, they're going to be posting flashy pictures of them flipping houses, how successful they are. Hopefully they're successful, right? And then you'll see maybe at the bottom, um, if you're not happy with your money in your savings account and or stocks and you want to, make a nice yield, 8% in your money, contact me. Okay. What's happening is they're hitting your mental triggers and they're looking for more flexible money, right? They want to shift the risk to the lender. Okay. When you're a lender, the goal is to shift the risk to the borrower. Okay. So basically, they want money from investors that they don't have to put any money in the deal, and all the risk is on the lender. Okay, I would recommend start off the way we did. Start off investing with another hard money lender. Okay, if you want to get started in the business, if you want to be completely passive, just invest with a hard money lender. Invest with a professional company. That's all they do. I wouldn't. I'm not saying don't invest with other flippers. All I have to say is just be careful with that, but really know what you're getting into. Know how to underwrite a loan. Know how to protect yourself. And that's the problem is that most investors don't know how. In the beginning, we didn't know how, right? But you learn the business, okay? And what's really interesting is later on, we create our own hard money lending company. I partnered up with a flipper that's been flipping houses for the past decade, and now we've been in business for 3 years. It's an amazing opportunity. And, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I mean, this is a topic I'm very passionate about, and I want to help other people. And, and this is another thing that really caught my attention was that I saw a recent post on, I guess, like Facebook and stuff where it was a local guru. I guess he was speaking at local real estate RIAs, and he disappeared. He owes a lot of people money. People think he's an expert. I don't like to name names, and people thought he was an expert. And he took off. They can't find him, and turns out there's multiple investors that trusted him with their monies, and they can't. Who knows what's going to happen? I seen this happen on our side with my father. Same thing. You're trusting a local contractor. You think that they know what they're doing, and the deal falls through, and you're stuck with nothing. You just lost your skin the money you invested. So, moral of the story is, if you want to get into private lending, it's a great business. Learn from professionals. I would recommend start off participating in loans with another hard money lender. You can invest through direct whole loans. You can invest in fractional loans. You can invest in a mortgage fund. Okay. And that's a great way to get started if you want to get into the business to eventually become active. Or if you just want to be passive like my father or other investors, then just stick with investing with professional lenders. And you're gonna earn those same returns if you go direct or not. Yeah, you could probably negotiate a deal with a beginner flipper and try to get really high returns, but you're gonna be taking a lot more risk. That's okay. Just know how to protect yourself. And most people, they don't know the legal ways to protect yourself. And that's it. I just wanted to share this with investors. I think this is a very important topic. I know that I'm seeing a lot of my news feeds on social media. A lot of investors are entering the market, real estate investors. There's a lot of gurus teaching how do you find private money, how do you raise money with How do you flip houses with no money down? The way is that you find a private investor that takes all the risk. Okay. Be a lender. Shift the risk to the borrower. Don't let the borrower shift the risk to the lender. Okay. And that's it. That's that's my tip for today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Feel free to, please like, share, smash the like button, share, and let me know if you have any questions about private lending. Let me know if you want to get involved. I'll be more than happy to show you the way to get involved. I start off reading many books. I've done so much research, and it's an amazing business to get to. And if anything, this business has evolved where there's liquidity with this. And before I go, what I discovered was there's liquidity, there's secondary markets. So that's another reason why I created this hard money lending company. I partnered up with some local flippers to leverage their experience because they have construction knowledge, right? And that also allowed us to scale up the business where now we have liquidity, meaning we could fund the loan, we could sell a loan, repatriate our monies, or we could participate in loans with other institutional investors. So there's many different ways we could. We have liquidity options, and that's really important as a lender. And that's it. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And until then, happy investing, everybody. Take care now.